y is equals to arc tangent sine hyperbolic x. Ayan. So, kabaho din, paano yan sasagutan? Paano natin kukunin yung derivative niyan? So, bali ganito lang. Nota, mag-introduce ulit tayo ng derivative. Arc tangent of u is equals to 1 over 1 plus u squared times derivative ng u natin with respect to x. Okay. So, ano ba yung natin? Ano ba muna yung u natin? Let u be equal to sine hyperbolic x. Okay. Derivative ng u natin with respect to x is cosine hyperbolic x. So, with this information, pwede na nating mahanap yung derivative niyan. Ano na lang, plug in na lang natin. Okay. So, dy over dx, or derivative ng y with respect to x is, ano yung derivative ng arctangent natin? Ito. So, 1 over 1 plus, ano nga yung u natin? Sine hyperbolic x squared, na naka-square siya, times derivative ng u natin with respect to x, cosine hyperbolic x. So, ito, pwede na natin to i-rewrite. 1 over, ipasok na natin yung cosine hyperbolic x. Cosine hyperbolic x over 1 plus sine hyperbolic squared x. dy over dx ito. Yan. So, magno-note ulit tayo. Okay, note. Ang Pythagorean relation kasi, or Pythagorean identity kasi ng mga hyperbolic functions, cosine hyperbolic squared x minus sine hyperbolic squared x is equals to 1. Pag minanipulate natin yan, add sine hyperbolic squared x both sides. So, 1 plus sine hyperbolic squared x is equals to cosine hyperbolic squared x. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung sagot nung nasa baba. Ito na yung sagot natin dun sa, sa denominator. So, bale, ganito na lang siya. Derivative ng y with respect to x ng cosine hyperbolic x over 1 plus sine hyperbolic x squared x is equals to cosine hyperbolic squared x. So, mawawalan ka ng cosine hyperbolic x dito sa taas, mawawalan ka ng isa dito sa baba. So, bale, ang finalized answer niyan will be 1 over cosine hyperbolic x, or to be simplified, to simplify further, kasi identity to, secant hyperbolic x yung sagot niyan. Ito na yung derivative natin. Ito na yung derivative ng arctangent ng sine hyperbolic x.